Okay, we have a Wasino engine lathe, 32-inch swing by 120-inch centers. It's a model LEM300A, serial number 197. It is new in 1976. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has inch and metric capability. That's a low RPM, I believe it's 14 right now. You have from 14 up to 1,000 RPM. You have a 4-drawer truck on the machine as well, and a large Aloris D8 quick change tool post. Forward and reverse. You're switching it into the high range. Machine also has hardened and ground bedways that are very clean. That's the higher range. 137. Machine also has a steady rest. We're going to run a few more speeds for you and then show you the feeds, the feed, threading, and rapid traverse. 350. That's a high speed. We're not going to go much higher because of the chuck, but you can tell that the machine's very quiet. We're going to put it back in the low gear. That's another high gear, 185. Okay, yeah. So you've seen 14, 137, 185, and 325. That's the cross feed. Wait, do the cross feed again. There's longitudinal feed. Rapid traverse. Rapid traverse. You're going to have to show the cross feed again because she was looking at the spindle. Cross feed, okay. And we're going to try threading. All right, he's engaging the lead screw. Now we're in. Okay, lead screw is turning. Engage the half nut, and we're threading. Okay, great. And you can see there that the thread dial indicator is turning on the carriage. So you have a built-in thread dial indicator. Okay, now he's moving the tailstock. And there you go, position of the tailstock. So both the quill and the entire tailstock. All right. Thank you for watching our video.